It's another time, my dear listener, that I take this opportunity to welcome you to another lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, Mwari wa Magi. In this lesson, we are going to look at Kikuyu noun classes. In this lesson, we are going to look at various noun classes as used in the Kikuyu language. A prefix on the noun tends to pattern in pairs of singular and plurals, as is going to be evident in the examples that I have prepared for you in this lesson. Our very first class noun is that of singulars starting with the syllable mo, while the plural starts with the syllable me. Mo for singular, me for plural. Here are the examples. A single tree in Kikuyu is Mûtwe. Mûtwe, while many trees then become mete. Mete. A single farm in Kikuyu is known as Mũgũnda, while many of them then they are termed as mĩgũnda. Mũgũnda, mĩgũnda. Any type of flower will be referred to as Mûtu when it's in singular, and Mûtu when in plural. Mûtu, mûtu. A single meeting is known as mũcemanio, while various meetings are known as mĩcemanio. Mũcemanio for singular, mĩcemanio for plural. One plant is referred to as mũmera, and when they are many, then they are termed as mĩmera. Mũmera for singular, mĩmera for plural. One bread is known as mũgate, and when they are many, then they are known as mĩgate. Mũgate for singular, mĩgate for plural. Continuing with this class of nouns, starting with the syllable mo for singular and me for plural, we have mũgambo, which is a single voice, and mĩgambo for many voices. Mũgambo, singular, mĩgambo, plural. Next, we have one door, which is referred to as mũrango, and many doors then become mĩrango. Singular, mũrango, and plural, mĩrango. One head is known as Mûtwe, and when there are two or more, then they become Mûtwe. Mûtwe for singular, Mûtwe for plural. The last three examples I've prepared in this group is a boundary, which is known as mohaka, and mihaka for many boundaries. Mohaka singular, mihaka plural. Then we have a single pocket is referred to as mohuko, while two or more pockets then are known as mehuko. Singular, mohuko, plural, mehuko. Then a single accident is known as motino, while many accidents are referred to as metino. Motino for singular, metino for plural. The next noun classes I have prepared in this lesson is the prefix ke, denoting singular, and prefix e, denoting plural. Here are the various examples. Something in Kikuyu is referred to as kedo, while many things are known as ido. Kedo is singular. Ido means plural. Next, we have a single announcement referred to as kimenyithia, while many announcements then become imenyithia. Hence, kimenyithia, singular, imenyithia, plural. Single information is known as kirîra, while various information is known as irîra. Kirîra for singular, irîra for plural. Moving on, we have a noun referring to kiroda, which is a single word, and many words then will be known as iroda. Kiroda for singular, iroda for plural. A promise is known as kirîko when it's just one, and irêko when they are many. Kirîko for singular, irêko for plural. One mountain is known as kiremba, while many mountains then become iremba. Kiremba for singular, iremba for plural. Still on this noun class, K and E, we have kefiriti to mean a matchbox, and when there are many, we call them ifiriti. Kefiriti for singular, ifiriti for plural. One lip is known as kiromo, while many of them become iromo. Kiromo for singular, iromo for plural. A turban is referred to as kiremba, while many of them become iremba. Kiremba for singular, iremba for plural. To finish up for this category is king'ang'i to mean a crocodile, while ing'ang'i are many crocodiles. King'ang'i for singular, ing'ang'i for plural. One single gate is known as kehigo, while many of them become ihigo. Kehigo for singular, ihigo for plural. A barrier is known as kihega, while many barriers then become ihega. Kihega for singular, ihega for plural. Our next focus will be on the noun class with the prefix mo for singular and a for plural. Here are the examples. A single woman is referred to as mutumia, while many are referred to as atumia. Mutumia for singular, atumia for plural. One single Kikuyu person is known as Mũikari, while many people from this tribe are known as gîkûyû. Mũikari for singular, gîkûyû for plural. One preacher is known as Mũhunjia, while many in this category of preachers are known as ahunjia. Mũhunjia for singular, ahunjia for plural. One person is referred to as mũndũ, while many people are referred to as andũ. Mũndũ singular, andũ plural. One lady is referred to as mũirĩtu, while many of these ladies then are referred to as airĩtu. Mũirĩtu singular, airĩtu plural. One man, referring to a male, is known as mũthuri, while many then become athuri. Mũthuri is singular, athuri is plural. Another name that refers to a male person is mũndũrũme, and when they are many, then they are termed as arũme. Mũndũrũme for singular, arũme for plural. One cook is known as mũrugi, while many of them then become arugi. Mũrugi for singular, arugi for plural. One resident is known as Mũikari, while many residents then become aikari. Mũikari is singular, aikari is plural. Still moving on this noun class of prefix mo and a, we have mũciari to mean a parent, while aciari to mean many parents. Mũciari for singular, aciari for plural. A name given to a thief is mũici, while many thieves then are referred to as aici. Mũici for singular, aici for plural. A son is known as mũriũ, while many sons are known as ariũ. Mũriũ for singular, ariũ for plural. To wind up on this category of nouns, then we look at a farmer who is known as mũrĩmi, and many of them become arĩmi. Mũrĩmi for singular, arĩmi for plural. Mũthamaki is a ruler or a king. And when there are many of them, then they are referred to as athamaki. Mũthamaki for singular, athamaki for plural. A reader is known as mũthomi, while many of them become athomi. Mũthomi for singular, athomi for plural. Another class of nouns that we are going to look at is that starting with the prefix ka to mean singular and prefix to mean plural. Here are the examples. Karatathi is usually used to mean a small paper or a single paper, while many of these kind then are referred to as turatathi. So karatathi is singular and turatathi is plural. Kanyoi is a razor blade, while many of these type then are known as tonyoi. Kanyoi for singular, tonyoi for plural. Kahiyo means a single knife, while tohiyo means many knives. Kahiyo for singular, tohiyo for plural. Kanyau refers to a kitten, while tonyau refers to many kittens. Kanyau is singular, tonyau is plural. One mouth is known as kanua, while many of them become tonua. Kanua for singular, tonua for plural. One single pen is known as karamu, while many become turamu. Karamu for singular, turamu for plural. Still in this class, we have karae to mean one basin and torae to mean many basins. Karae for singular, torae for plural. A petticoat is known as kamithi, while many of them become tomithi. Kamithi for singular, tomithi for plural. Kameta refers to a small table, and tometha refers to small tables. Kametha for singular, tometha for plural. Another class of nouns is that with the prefix e to denote singular and prefix ma to denote plural. Here we get into the examples. One banana is known as irúa, while many bananas then become marigu. Irúa for singular, marigu for plural. A single flower is known as ihua, while many of them then are known as mahua. Ihua singular, mahua plural. One wing is known as idhagu, while many wings then become madhagu. Idhagu for singular, madhagu for plural. A leaf is known as idhago, and many are referred to as mathago. Ithago is singular, mathago is plural. A cloud is referred to as itu, while many of them are known as Mûtu. Itu is singular, Mûtu is plural. An egg is referred to as itube, and many eggs are known as matube. Itube singular, matube plural. Still in this noun class of prefix e for singular and ma for plural, we look at ifuku to mean a book, while mafuku to refer to many books. Ifuku is singular, mafuku is plural. A village is referred to as itora and matora to mean many villages. Itora is singular, matora is plural. A letter is known as Irúa, while marua is for many letters, and these ones refer to those letters that you send through the post. So, Irúa for singular, marua for plural. To wind us up in this noun class, we have iruga to denote a single ceremony, while many ceremonies then are known as maruga. Iruga is singular, maruga is plural. Irege is a single pumpkin, and marege is many of those pumpkins. Irege is singular, marege is plural. A single pawpaw is known as ifafai, while many pawpaws are referred to as mafafai. Ifafai is singular, mafafai is plural. Another noun class is that of prefix ye for singular and e for plural. And here are the examples. A cup is known as gîkûyû, while many cups they are known as ikombe. Gîkûyû singular, ikombe plural. A single mirror is known as gîcîcio, while many of them they are known as icîcio. Gîcîcio singular, icîcio plural. A single chair is known as gîte, while many of them they are known as ite. Gîte singular, ite plural. Gîtada refers to one bed, while itada refers to many beds. Gîtada is singular, itada is plural. A rich person is known as gîtoga, while many rich people are known as itoga. Gîtoga singular, itoga plural. A bare chest is known as gîthûri. Many of those are referred to as ithûri. Gîthûri singular, ithûri plural. Still in this noun class, we have gîkûyû to denote death and ikuo to mean many deaths. Gîkûyû is singular, ikuo is plural. A well is known as gîthima. Many wells are known as ithima. Gîthima singular, ithima plural. An island is known as gîcigîrîra, while islands are known as icigîrîra. Gîcigîrîra is singular, icigîrîra is plural. Another noun class is that of prefix moi for singular and prefix me for plural. Here we don't have many examples, but the few we've got: mwaki to mean fire and miaki to mean many fires. Mwaki singular, miaki plural. Mûtwe to mean a beehive and miato many beehives. Mûtwe is singular, miato is plural. Mwaka means 1 year, while miaka means many years. Mwaka singular, miaka plural. Mwaga refers to a particular tuber known as cassava, while miaga is many cassavas. Mwaga singular, miaga plural. Another noun class is that of prefix moi to denote singular and a to denote plural. Here are the examples. Mwalimu means one teacher. Alimu means many teachers. Mwalimu singular, alimu plural. Mwanake means gentleman, while gentleman then becomes anake. Mwanake singular, anake plural. Mwalia refers to one speaker. Alia means two or many speakers. Mwalia singular, alia plural. Mwale refers to a daughter, while ali refers to many daughters. Mwale singular, ali plural. Mwathani refers to a ruler, while many of them then become athani. Mwathani singular, athani plural. Another noun class is that of prefix ke to denote singular and si to denote plural. Another set of examples. Kiodo means basket. Siodo means many baskets. Kiodo singular, siodo plural. Kebu means a chameleon. Siebu means many chameleons. Kebu singular, siebu plural. Kiora refers to a frog. Siora refers to many frogs. Kiora singular, siora plural. Kioro refers to a toilet. Sioro is many of those toilets. Kioro is singular. Sioro is plural. Kioria is a single question. Siuria is many of those questions. Kiuria is singular. Siuria is plural. Another noun class is that of prefix ki to denote singular and prefix si to denote plural. Here there are not so many examples, but the two that I have in this lesson include kyugo to mean one word and siugo to refer to many words. Kyugo singular, siugo plural. Kyugo means a shed. Siugo means many sheds. Kyugo singular, siugo plural. The other noun class is that of category that I have called the own category, that the singular takes its own form and the plural takes another form. This category does not follow any pattern, and here are some examples. 1 month is referred to as mweri. Many months are known as mieri. Mweri singular, mieri plural. And out of context here, mweri also means the moon. Uthio is the face. Many faces are known as mothio. Uthio singular, mothio plural. Rurime refers to one tongue. Many tongues refers to as neme. Rurime singular, neme plural. 1 foot is known as kogoro. Many feet are known as magoro. Kogoro singular, magoro plural. A river is known as Rue. Many rivers are referred to as Joe. Rue singular, Joe plural. Another noun class that I have prepared in this lesson is that does not change. It remains the same in its singular and in its plural. Here are some examples. Beo, referring to seed or many seeds. Waru, referring to a potato or many potatoes. Mai, referring to whatever amount of water. Juire, referring to a strand of hair or even many strands of hair. Besa, referring to any amount of money. And on that note, my dear listener, we have come to the end of this lesson, Noun Classes, Kikuyu style. I'm glad you joined me and you listened to me, and it's my belief that you learned something new. Please remember to join me again for another lesson just like this one. From me, it's goodbye.